Welcome to Guppy Gaff, Fishkeeping explained properly. In this episode, we're going to discuss what water hardness actually means and why it's so important for the stability of your aquarium. Most people test their water, they see numbers, GH, pH, and then panic, so they start adding things, removing things, chasing perfect numbers, and that's how fish get stressed. So let's slow this right down and explain water hardness properly. Water hardness is not about pH. It's about minerals dissolved in the water, mainly calcium and magnesium. There are two different types of hardness, they do different jobs, and mixing them up causes a lot of problems. GH means general hardness, and it measures the amount of calcium and magnesium in the water. These minerals are essential. Fish use them for growth, bone and spine development, muscle function, osmoregulation, and reproduction. Without enough GH, fish struggle to regulate fluids inside their bodies, which is why live bearers prefer harder water, and why some fish fail to thrive even when pH looks fine. GH is about long-term health, not day-to-day stability. KK means carbonate hardness, and it does something completely different. QH measures the water's buffering capacity. Think of it like shock absorbers. KH helps prevent sudden pH swings, stabilize the nitrogen cycle, and protect fish from acid crashes. Important point: KH does not raise pH, it resists change. Low KH means unstable pH, high KH means stable pH. That's where most people get confused. The key difference is this: GH affects the fish, KH affects the water. GH is mineral availability, KH is chemical stability. They are related but not the same. You can have high GH with low KH or low GH with high KH. And both situations behave very differently. pH is a result, not a control knob. KH controls how easily pH moves. GH influences biological processes that can indirectly affect pH over time. This is why tanks with low KH often experience sudden pH crashes. People think something went wrong overnight, but the buffer was already gone. The crash was inevitable. Fish don't need perfect numbers. They need stability, predictability, and consistency. A slightly wrong pH that never swings is safer than a perfect initial pH that changes constantly. Hardness helps keep things steady. You don't always need to change your hardness. The best option is choosing fish that suit your water, but if you do adjust hardness, do it slowly, do it consistently, and test regularly. Hardness changes should be planned, not reactive. The takeaway is simple: GH keeps fish healthy, GH keeps water stable. They work together, but they are not interchangeable. Understand them and everything else becomes easier. In future episodes, we'll discuss how you can safely alter these parameters without harming your fish or crashing your cycle. Observe first, intervene last. That's Guppy Gaff.